Hi, and welcome to this week's Table Talk with Amy and Sophie. And this week has been completely wild.
Yeah, it's been a crazy old week. We've been at the Science Museum, testing, learning, basically on our feet for like 12 hours at a time, talking to kids. And we thought we'd share that with you.
Reportage style.
Reportage style. So enjoy.
The team arrive fresh-faced, full of energy and sporting their sparkly new uniforms. We're set, prepped, waiting for our punters. And here they are. Step 1, match to a member of the kit squad.
Love them. Exciting. In a group. Bad thing. Something bad.
Step 2, scream like there's nobody watching.
Hi, we're at the end of day one at the Science Museum Family Festival. We've had 140 kids and adults come through our scream chamber, and they've tested kit.
Yeah, so that means over 80 kids have used the app. It's working great. There are some definite kinks in there, but they're all good learnings about the language we're using, feedback on some of the members of the squad. But what's really great has been the feedback from parents.
When we've talked to parents who have children between 10 and 14, they have all signed up to test kit in January, and that's just been wonderful because our biggest fear has been that parents would think kit is usurping them, so the fact that they want to be part of it is just fabulous.
Step 3, design your preferred member of the kit squad.
Hi, we're back at the Science Museum for day 2. What have we learnt today, Sophie?
Amazing how many kind of mystical animals were coming out from having over 150 kids and adults use the app. There's a real aptitude for voice tech. The kids are not finding it weird, they're getting involved with it, and they know kind of intuitively how to use it.
Again, heard from so many parents that they love the idea that we could help keep their kids talking, keep them confident, and they're not afraid of the tech.
Yeah.
Really insightful for us was seeing how the boys versus girls interpret confidence.
Now we need to go home and digest everything that we've learned.
Yeah.
288 adults and kids, 20 families pre-registered for our January test. 2 very happy but exhausted co-founders.
Hopefully that's given you a view of what happened at the Science Museum.
I didn't anticipate us having to educate on the language of confidence. What is confidence? What does it mean? How do we describe it? Was quite a challenge for a number of children. I think that's an education piece that we want to push to the forefront.
On the other side of things, I was quite worried that we were really going to have to educate them on how to use the tech, getting them to vocally converse with an app, but that was completely not the case. They were completely capable. It was so natural for them to talk to an app. Some of them even said that it was easier.
Thank you so much for watching, listening. We hope you enjoyed. And remember,
Armed with confidence, kids will change the world.
bye!